Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss something about India's state and UTs. So here we are going to discuss something. You can see in this map Indian theaters. Okay, Indian theaters are classical Sanskrit theaters. So there was the excavation in Sitabena and Jogimara caves represent the world's oldest amphitheater. Now, Bharat Muni Natya Shastra also described these theaters, and 10 type of plays was there as 2000 BC to 2000 AD. So, classical Sanskrit theaters are begun as a narrative art form, and Rupaka, Drishnayaka, and Preksavarya. Like there was a Rupaka, then Drishyavakya, like what you are seeing that is in front of you, Drishyavakya, and Preksavarya was there, and Lok Darnami. These were the realistic depiction of daily life. Lok Dharmi and Natya Dharmi is like convention play with more stylish narration and over symbolism. So Ashwaghosh, an eminent philosopher, is considered the first example of classical Sanskrit drama. Ashwaghosh, then Bhasha, who composed 13 plays, and 4 to 5 century BC. Sudraka was the first to introduce essence of conflict in play, Mrachakatikam. So scene of Shakuntala and Mrachakatikam as there in this book is given. Now Sanskrit plays are generally this is basically between desires and duty and conflict between desires and duty. So Kalidasa also portrayed many kind of natka that time, that was Malvika Agnimitram, Vikramo Urvashiya, Abhigyan, Shakuntalam. Okay, now Vishak Datta was there, and Bhavbhuti was there, Mudra Rakshas by Vishak Datta, and Mahavira Charitra by Bhavbhuti was there, and Ratnavali by Harshvardhana. These kind of natak was there at that ancient time. So basically, there was many act they was playing, like protagonist was the male who would always achieve the object of his desire, then play well defined opening, progression, development, and all that. So ritualistic progression also was there, pre-play of ritual, then perform behind the curtain also, and Sutradhar was the followers of dress in white color and worship to the deity. That was the main play at that time. So there was a 400 persons in one play, or there was a many persons in a group playing was also there, solo playing was also there, and stage was two storied stage was there they was wearing the mask, and in front of curtain they was playing that all Natya Shastra. So Nayak was the hero and Naika was the heroine in that particular theater, and Vidusaka was clown. So now we are discussing about why Sanskrit theatre has been declined, because diverse towards the poetry. Now Sanskrit dramas diverse towards the poetry, and rigidity and orthodoxy was there in Sanskrit plays, and there was no creative space at that time, and it was basically confined towards the religious sphere, lost the popularity because of that. An advent of Muslim ruler was came in the India at that time, that was the very difficult to flourish the Sanskrit theatres. So now Kothiyattam is Kudiyattam. It's oldest theatre in the 10th century in the Kerala. What the name? Kuthiyattam. Okay, its name is Kuthiyattam. It's oldest theatre in Kerala. Okay, oldest theatre in Kerala. Now Sanskrit, Prakrit, and Malayalam. Three language was performed there, and Nirvana was the main theme there. And after this, the story unfolded in leisurely fashion with commentaries and social, philosophical, political behavior. Now Margi Madhu Chakiyar is leading exponent of this theatre. Now folk theatre, like we are talking about the ritual theatre like Ankiya Nat, Kala, Ramlila, Raslila, Bhuta, Raman. Now theatre of entertainment are also there, like Bhavai, Daskathiya, Garoda, Jatra, Karila, Mach, Notanki, Oja, Pali. and Pandavani, Povada, Swang, Tamasha, Vilupattu, Band Patthar, Bauna, Dashavatar Band. And South Indian theatre was Yakshagana, Burakatha, Pagati, Veshalu, and Bayalata, Tal, Madale, Theyam, Krishna Attam, Kurunanji. These kind of theatres was there. Now we are going to discuss about ritual theatre. Okay, ritual theatre, Ankiya Nat. Ankiya Nat is basically in Assam. Okay, what is name? Ankiya Nat. So this Ankiya Nat was in Assam, and this was the performed in the style of opera and depict the incident from the life of Krishna. So Gayan Bayan Mandalivu played the khol symbol, and one of the unique feature of the theatre was use of mask. They was using here the mask in Ankiya Nat. Okay, now Kala. Kala is the Vishnu, and it's a Vaishnavized tradition of theatre. Okay, and the Shavtar Kala was there, and that Kala theatre was very important in India also. Now Ramlila. Ramlila in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, so Ramlila was in Uttar Pradesh, and this was period of Dashera. There was that was played by main actor. Now Ras Leela, Ras Leela in Gujarat. Okay, Ras Leela is basically in Gujarat, as Dandiya is also famous in Gujarat. Bhuta in Karnataka. This is Karnataka. Here was a Bhuta. Okay, Bhuta theatre was in Karnataka. Raman theatre was in Uttarakhand. So we should have idea about Raman. Raman theatre was in Uttarakhand. UNESCO represent the intangible culture heritage. Also the Raman theatre. Okay, now we are discussing the theatre of entertainment. We has been discussed presently some theatres. Now we are going to discuss the theatre of entertainment. Okay, so we are going to discuss some theatres of Bawai. Bawai in Gujarat, and Bawai is in Gujarat and Rajasthan. It's romantic theatres was there, semi-classical music was there, Naika was there. Das Kathiya. Das Kathiya was in Odisha. Das Kathiya. Okay, Das Kathiya, like 10 stories was there to narrate the Gaika, chief singer and Palia. So co-narrator was there, and dramatic music also was there. Garoda. Garoda was in Gujarat. Garoda. Garoda was in Gujarat. Garoda was in Gujarat. Painted pictures was there. Romantic Valor was there. Basically, these theaters are basically based on the romantic stories, dramatic music, and some narrations also with the singing and dancing. Okay, now Jatra was in famous in popularly for the eastern India. This was the part where Jatra was the famous, this whole part. Okay, so Jatra was teaching of Krishna and Chaitanya. Vaishnava cult was there, so this Jatra was famous in that particular area. So Sahi Jatra, street Jatra was there in Odisha also. This is in Odisha also. Okay, now Kariyilla was in Himachal Pradesh. Kariyilla. Kariyilla. Okay. Kariyilla was in Himachal Pradesh, and March was in Madhya Pradesh. Okay. March was in Madhya Pradesh. March was in Madhya Pradesh. Methodological theme was there. Dialogues was there. Okay. Today is Diwali, so we are going to first celebrate the Diwali. So all the best and happy Diwali to all of you who are seeing this lecture today. Happy Diwali to all of you from my side. All right. Notanki was in North India, and that was lyrical fashion, dance, music, and offshoot of swang also there. So Notanki was famous in lyrical fashion also. So Notanki is generally in UP. Okay, Notanki. Now we are discussing the Ojapali. Ojapali was in Assam. Okay, Ojapali was in Assam, and Ojapali was in Assam, and Oja is the main narrator in that particular. Serpent goddess was there. Ojapali in Assam. Okay, festival of Mansa Devi. Okay, now Povada was in the Shivaji killed his adversary of Afzal Khan. So Povada is the heroic deed of Shivaji. So that's why it's in Maharashtra. Povada. Okay, heroic deed of Shivaji. As you all know, the Shivaji, and depicting the story of valor like courage, and sung by the folk musician known as Gondali and Shahid. Now Swang was in Punjab and Haryana. This is the Punjab and this is Haryana. Here was the Swang was famous for that. Okay, and this is the verses and accompanied by the music of Ektara, harmonium, Swang, all that. Now Tamasha was also in Tamasha was also in the Maharashtra. There's lots of firecracker are in near to me. It's Diwali, so all are celebrating today, and it's good to celebrate as we are going. Government is going today towards green crackers, so we should follow all that also, and we should also take care of our health also. Vilupattu. Vilupattu is the bow song, and this was in the Ramayana is given, that is in Deccan area. What the name? Vilupattu. Vilupattu is the Deccan area. Okay. Now Bauna, like Band Pathar. Band Pathar was in Kashmir. Band Pathar. And this Band Pathar was in Jammu and Kashmir, and this was the contemporary social style and musical mythical stories also. Bauna was in Assam. Okay, Bauna was in Assam. So here was the Bauna. Okay, Bhavana was in Assam, and it's a Vaishnavite theme in Bhavana. So presenting the Ankiya Nat also. At common, the Sutradhar of narrator narrates the play and sing the verses of that. Now Dashavatar. Dashavatar was famous in Goa. Okay, this is the Goa. Here was famous the Dashavatar. Dashavatar. Okay, Dashavatar was famous in Goa, and this was the Konkan region. 10 incarnation of Lord Vishnu. It has two parts like Purva Ranga and Uttar Ranga. Okay, now Nakkal. Nakkal is the band. It's a mimicry based performance in Punjab. Nakkal. They are Nakalchi, like we can say Nakalchi kind of band. So they are Punjab performing often the Behrupia also in Punjab, and Nakalchi is impersonator, like he is like personification of someone. He is imagine, or that like imagination in his mind, like impersonator. He used the comedy absurdities with humor to get across social political message. Right now, theater of South India. We are going to discuss the theater of South India now. Uh, some theaters are there. All right. So, theater in South India emphasis on basically on dance, because South India is very important and popularly known for the dancing. That's why Yakshagana. So, Yakshagana was the famous for Yakshagana was the famous for oldest theater, and this was the in Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka, both of the area. And here was the Vijayanagar Empire, and was performed by the particular community. They are the Jakula Varu. So Jakula Varu or the community, they were performing the Yakshagan, and it's a dance and drama, and single artist was there who are performing that. Okay, now popular Yakshagana play is Bura Katha. Bura Katha is in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, what the name? Bura Katha. So Bura Katha was in the Andhra Pradesh, and there was a percussion instruments, and extensively during performance. The performance consists of main artists and narrators. Okay, so provide the rhythm as well as the chorus. Now Pagati Vashalu. Pagati Vashalu in the Telangana. It's very important. Pagati Vashalu. Pagati Vashalu. So Pagati Vashalu was in the Telangana. All right. Pagati Vashalu in the Telangana, and that was very important Yakshagana in that particular time. And this is a role playing act was there, and Vesham disguised and other character was also, like Krishna was the main theme. Okay, Bayalata, like Bayalata was in the open air theater, and this is in Karnataka. Bayalata, what is the name? Bayalata. Okay, so Bayalata was in Karnataka, and that was a open air theater, and the local deity was worshipping there, and love of Radha Krishna was the main theme in Bayalata. Okay, so that was important. And now Yakshagana narrated by single Sutradhar, while other three forms of performance are chorus and 3-4 added to Vidushaka. Now Tal Madale. Tal Madale is the kind of the Yakshagana also, and this is performed while sitting without any costume and dance acting. Okay, so Tal Madale is the there's a cymbal and madale, like drum was there, and for the Bhagavata who are aided by the group, and Artha Haris. Now Theyam. Theyam is famous in Kerala. Theyam. Okay, Theyam was famous in the Kerala and Karnataka as well as, and Bhuta Kola was in the Theyam, which is Theyam, that is called in Karnataka Bhuta Kola. Okay, Theyam is called the Bhuta Kola in the Karnataka. Okay, so this was the Vaishnavism, Shaktism, and Shaivism was the main theme of there. Now, Krishna Attam. Okay, Krishna Attam. Now we are talking about the Krishna Attam. Krishna Attam is a kind of Kerala, colorful dance and drama. So there is the Krishna Attam. Krishna Attam. Okay, that is the dance and drama in Kerala. Karuvanji. Karuvanji is the 300 year ago was the there is this poetry and song. So this was in the Tamil Nadu. Karuvanji. Karuvanji. Karuvanji was in the Tamil Nadu, and this was the love-struck heroine, fate of heroine, and dance, and that were kind of. Now we are discussing some modern theaters. Okay, so some modern theaters are there. All right. Some modern theaters are there. These are like Gotthold, Imperium, Lessing, and Shakespeare was adapted these themes. Like Imperium, Lessing, and Shakespeare was the main work over the modern theater. So Calcutta was the main. Calcutta was the place. There was the many kind of the modern theaters, and Madras also the place where also new form entertainment was there. So after some time there was a commercialization of these theaters, and there was dramatic performance act in 1876 to counter the growing political awareness also. So there was like Dowry, caste system, religious hypocrisy, and political affair. That's why this theater come emerged that time. Parsi theater was there in the Gujarat, Maharashtra, and that was the particular areas. Now we are discussing about Rabindranath Tagore. He was like a very important personality in particular theater art, and